Hey y'all, I'm so happy that you joined me today because we are going to make the most beautiful peach pound cake. Super, super easy. And honestly, I saw it on Facebook on Miss Paula Dean's page. And any of her recipes I always feel really good about. So I thought, I read it and I thought I'm just going to share that cake if it turns out well. And sure enough, I made it. I'll show you in just a second. And it turns out so beautiful and so super easy. So the first thing that you do is take a cake mix. And you can have yellow or white. This is a white one. And just a regular size cake mix. Come on.
I want to taste something.
Okay.
What
are you going to do? You want to crack the eggs?
Can you show me after you're done?
I can. Come here. Come here really quick, baby.
Why?
And so what, just a cake mix. And then it calls for a 15.5-ounce can of sliced peaches. Now look what I found, peach chunks. And because you're going to slice up some of the peaches or cut them up, I thought this is a plan right here. So I'm going to put this in. And I took out about 1/4 of the peaches and chopped them. And so we'll fold those in at the end and I'll show you. And then 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And then we're going to, let me grab my vanilla. We're going to put just about a teaspoon of vanilla in it. So anyway, I love cakes like this, especially in the summertime when you're, busy and not in the kitchen as much. To have a cake like this that you can make and it's quick and easy and delicious. So I'm excited about this. So we put our vegetable oil in. Now let's put our eggs. Nico, you want to come crack the eggs?
No.
Okay. So he's playing with Thomas the Train. Shocker. So anyway, we're going to have our 3 eggs. And if a theory is to crack it in a bowl first. That way if you do get a little bit of egg in or egg shell, you can get it out easier. So that's what we do. And so we will, let's crack them all. You could put them in one at a time and that'd be fine too. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 eggs. All right. There we go. Now, let's put them in. And I'll tell you, one theory too is to do it individually, to mix it up individually. But I did it yesterday just to test it to see if you could mix it all at one time. And sure enough, you can. So that makes it super easy. So I have the 1/4 of the can of peaches here that I've diced up. And what we're going to do now is we're going to mix it up with our mixer. And it doesn't take very long. I'll show you. So I hope y'all are doing well. I'm so glad that you joined me today. I think it's going to be so much fun to have this recipe in your arsenal of recipes in your recipe box. I sure appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank you so much. And guess what, y'all? It's mixed already. Okay, I want to show y'all. This is already mixed together. It's amazing. And I just love easy recipes. Like I said, I love to cook low and slow like a lot of Louisiana cooks do. That's my favorite type of cooking for dishes. But for desserts, I love for it to be super easy. And that way makes it a lot of fun. So then I'm going to put these peaches in. So, here, let me show you the batter. See how pretty it is? So pretty.
What do peaches look like?
Come here, baby, and I'll show you. Nico's here. We're having the day together. You want to come see real quick?
Sure.
Okay. Let me see real quick. These are canned peaches, and we've got fresh peaches, too. Come stand up here.
What do peaches look like? That's peach.
That's peach.
I'm
You want to taste it?
I'm just going to pour it in and then get back to playing.
Good idea. Pour it in.
Just myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more. Uh-oh, a couple more here. You know what you can do in that case is we'll use our knife. Thank you very much, baby. And then you fold in your peaches. So this is the batter, y'all. Super easy, like I said. This just does not take any time at all. So anyway, what I did was to prepare my pan. Here's my Bundt cake pan. And I sprayed it with Baker's Joy. And I'm telling y'all, this is a plan right here. Makes it so easy. Let me put my knife in the back here. And before I forget it, and while I'm pouring this in, I want to thank y'all so much for following me. Please like my page. And please, please share these videos, comment. I don't really understand all the algorithms of social media, but I just know that helps a whole bunch, and I really appreciate it. I also want to remind y'all about our Dana Dash. You can order it on my website, but you can also order, oops, we have all the puppies here today. You can also order it or get it, buy it from several stores. So I want to say to those businesses that are carrying my Dana Dash, I love it whenever businesses support local or small business. And it's just like, I mean, I'm not comparing myself to a farmer, believe me, but it is like supporting your local farmers or anybody that is local and that does business on their own. You know, we need y'all. And we need you to support us and encourage us too, because sometimes it's not so easy. I've been so lucky with such sweet people supporting me and selling my products. Lebo's in Central Louisiana, all of the Lebo's has this. Little Eva's in Clutcheville, Louisiana. Jack Brown's Country Store in Franklinton, Louisiana. Ray's Supermarket in Moncure, North Carolina. And several south of me, of where I live right now. Piggly Wiggly in Columbia, Eagleville Grocery in Eagleville, and Brooks Grocery in Chapel Hill. And in Murfreesboro, the Tennessee Meat Company, that's just an amazing store, they sell our Dana Dash. And then in Arkansas, there's a sweet guy, Jesse James, and he uses our product for his Cajun chicken sandwiches and things like that. So anyway, thank you to all of them. I cannot even begin to tell you how much I appreciate it. So here we are with our cake in our pan, and it's just a beautiful cake. I can smell the peaches already. So I'm going to put it in the oven. The oven's at 350 and we'll bake it for 35 minutes. But by the magic of TV, not really TV. But anyway, I made this cake yesterday and I thought I would show y'all it. I made it so I could make sure, because I'm a little shy about making recipes for the first time on our videos, because I've always kind of held to the fact that I want to love it before I suggest it to somebody else. And so that's what I've done with this cake. It is absolutely beautiful. And here it is. Look how pretty it is, y'all. It smells like peaches. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So what you will want to do is, you can, believe it or not, I'm out of powdered sugar, but I just realized it. So I can't sprinkle powdered sugar on it, but you can sprinkle powdered sugar on it. Or it's so rich and yummy. Look at this, y'all. Look how pretty it is. You could just serve it. If you have some fresh peaches, I think you could just serve it like this with some fresh peaches. And maybe a little ice cream. Bluebell. Golden vanilla. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. And we had so much fun making this peach Bundt cake, didn't we? Delicious. Bon appetit, y'all.